skin routine make you look radiant and feel comfortable in colder weather while you are also addressing the need for extra moisture and protection. Without further ado, let's get into it. So guys, the first thing you need to do, you need to prep and hydrate your face. And I'm going to use this my face wipe to wipe up my face and start preparing it for the makeup we are going to do. So I'll just clean my face wipe to remove any dirt that will be in my face. So the next thing we are going to do now is to use my moisturizer to moisturize my face so that my face will hydrate very well. So using this moisturizer, this Moist SS to moisturize my face. So I'm just going to take out of it, put in my face. Just a little. You can see now, that my face is already moisturized. You can see the way it's looking, it's hydrated already. So the next thing I need to use now is to use my face primer. I'll be using this primer from Zero Cosmetics. So I'm just going to open it and put some little. You can see the way the face is looking now. It's already hydrated and prepped. So the next thing I'm going to do, I will use my foundation also from Zero Cosmetics, because most of the products I'll be using, they are from Zero Cosmetics. And please, this video is not sponsored by anybody. Okay, so let's get into it. So this is the foundation I'm using, and I'll take little in the palm. And this is my beauty blender. I've already damped it already. Then you tap. Don't do it like this, you tap. When you apply your foundation, it's for you to dab it. Foundation is what we use to cover our secret. So the next I'm going to use now is to use my concealer. This is also my concealer from Zero Cosmetics as well. So I'm just going to apply it on my T-zones area. Just need to. That's enough. So I'm just going to allow it to sit on my face a little while I will apply blush to the other side. And I'll be using a liquid blush here. It's also lip palette. If you want to use a lip palette or anything, you can use a lip palette as well. The next thing I'm going to do, I will blend in my concealer. Then I'll use my beauty blender to finish it up. You need to be fast, so it's not look thick, it's already getting dry. Ensure you blend it in properly, take your time. As you can see, everything is well blended now. So the next step I'm going to do is to use my setting powder to set in my face. And this is the setting powder I'll be using. I'll be using this Aspen loose face powder to set in my face. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do now is to use my spoonie brush to brush up my brows, because I've not shaved, so I just need to make it look a little bit presentable. So I'll just brush it upward. can see I have a fuller eyebrows, so and I don't want to shave, but you can shave yours. I'll do a video on how to shave your eyebrows very soon, but not now. So I'll just use my skinny brush to roll it down. Also use your hand. I think it's a bit okay now. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to outline my lips, a soft touch lip liner pencil. So I'm just going to use it to outline my lip now. I already outlined my lip, so I'll just leave it there for now, and I'll go and use my eyeshadow, a lighter one, to put in my face. Using this eyeshadow palette, I think it's Beauty Gaga Gorgeously. I'll use a lighter shade. I think I will use this. I will use this color. I don't know if you guys can see it. I will use this because I want the makeup to be natural. You don't even know if I rub anything there. I'll use any color of your choice. Then just get this in. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll brush out my eyelid out because I'm not wearing lashes. So I'll just use it to bring out my eyelid out. The next thing I'm going to do is to blend out my transition powder or transect powder out. Makeup has no rules. You can do your makeup the way you want it to do. It has no rules. It has rules. So you must not have a particular rules to follow and say I must follow this rule before I'll do my makeup. The next I'm going to do now is to apply powder, and I'll apply this zero powder. This is the brown skin compact powder. So just apply it on my face, the highlighted area side. The area where you did not put powder. The next thing I'm going to do is to look for the shade I want to use on my lip. You can also use a lip balm if you have, and use a lip gloss, anything you want, you can use it. So I'll just look for natural color to use here, and I'll be using this color, this one. That. So the next thing I'm going to do is to use my lip liner to apply my lip very well because the other one I put has left, so just apply it a little bit. So I'm going to use my dry contour to apply on my face, and I'll be using this color. Next thing I'm going to do next is to apply my lip gloss on my lip. So I'll apply a little there. Careful. And also I will just do the down part of my eyelid. I have a very long eyelid. The next I'm going to do is just to apply the general powder on my face. General touch to your face. The next thing for me to do is to apply my dry blush on my face. Now let's use this. So just quickly touch up here. The next thing I'm going to do is to use the setting spray, and I'll be using the Kiss setting spray. Set everything I've done on my face. And guys, this is the finished look. You can see the way it's glowing even through the cold. With this effortless winter makeup routine is what you need to try, because it's very easy to learn. You don't need to do too much. You don't need heavy makeup, because this is winter season, baby. And those winter season, you need to keep it down. You need to keep it low. You get? So guys, that's all for today. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share it to your friends and loved ones who will be needing this, because I know people will need this makeup tutorial because of this winter season. And guys, please do well to watch my previous video, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. My analytics is telling me that people watch more of my videos but they don't subscribe. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, because that's what gives me joy to push further, to push more for you guys. So do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it to your friends and loved ones. And if you have any video suggestions, let me know in the comment section, because your opinions matters a lot to me. So guys, let me know if you'll be trying this makeup. And from me to you, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.